Emission standards. In this section, we will learn about emission standards, implementation, pollutant and effects, what is BS6, difference between BS4 and BS6 fuel, and tackling BS6. Emission standard. Since invention of the motor car in 1886, many companies had started to make the cars. With increase of many cars on road, it caused a new problem, that is air pollution. So, to control this air pollution, in 1991, European Union started to give some guidelines and standards to all car maker companies. These norms had given some permissible limit on harmful gases such as nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbon, particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. Each car maker must follow these norms. It is called as Euro 1 standard. Euro 1 was implemented in all over India on 1st June 1999 and it is called as India 2000 or Bharat Stage 1. The difference between Euro standards and Bharat stages are the permissible limits are same but the test cycles are different. Implementation. Let us see what are the Euro norms and BS norms implementation. In 1992, Euro Norm 1 was implemented. After 4 years, in 1996, Euro 2 was implemented. In 2000, Euro 3 was implemented. In 2005, Euro 4 was implemented. In 2009, Euro 5 was implemented and currently Euro 6 is going on and it was started in the year 2014. Let us see the timelines for Bharat stage implementation. Euro 1 norms had been directly copied in India in year 2000 and named as Bharat Stage 1. In 2005, Bharat Stage 2 was implemented and the reference was taken from Euro 2 standards. After 5 years, in 2010, Bharat Stage 3 was implemented and the reference was taken from Euro 3. Currently, in India, BS4 is implemented and it was started in 2017 and the reference was taken from Euro 4. We are running far behind of Euro standards. The gap between Euro 4 and BS4 is around 12 years. So, Indian government has decided to skip the BS5 and implement BS6 directly. The implementation date is 1st April 2020. Also, the Supreme Court of India has decided that the registration of BS4 vehicles will not be allowed after April 2020. Pollutants and effects. Any substance that makes the environment dirty is a pollutant. There are engine pollutant and tailpipe pollutant. In petrol, that is gasoline and diesel vehicles, the pollutant amount may be different. The major car pollutants are hydrocarbons, that is HC, carbon monoxide, that is CO, nitrogen oxide, that is NOx, particulate matter, that is PM, carbon dioxide, that is CO2, and sulfur dioxide, that is SO2. Hydrocarbons are partially burned fuel. Carbon monoxide are the product of incomplete combustion. Nitrogen oxides are created when the nitrogen in the air reacts with the oxygen at high temperature and pressure. Particulate matter are also called as soot or smoke. They are made up of particles in the micron size. Effects of pollutants on human life. Hydrocarbons, that is HC, can cause other effects like coma, irregular heart rhythms, or damage to kidneys or liver. Carbon monoxide, that is CO, is highly toxic to human and blocks oxygen uptake. Nitrogen oxide, that is NOx, inflames the lining of the lungs and it can reduce immunity to lung infections. Nitric acid contributes to acid rain. Particulate matter, that is PM exposure, can affect both lungs and heart. Carbon dioxide, that is CO2, is a major contributor for global warming. What is BS6? The BS6 emission standard is a sixth iteration of emission norm, and comparatively, it is a substantial leap in terms of reducing pollution compared to the outgoing BS4. The BS6 norms are so tight on NOx and PM, it is a small narrow window at the left bottom side. If we have to sell vehicles in India, all our vehicles need to fit in that small narrow window. Difference between BS4 and BS6 fuel. A major difference between BS6 and BS4 fuel is the sulfur content in BS6 fuel is 5 times lower, that is 10 ppm, as compared to the sulfur content in BS4 fuel, that is 50 ppm. BS6 diesel will release less particulate matter, that is PM, upon combustion. BS6 fuel is much cleaner fuel, while the lubricity is maintained same as BS4 fuel. Now, one frequently asked question: can BS4 vehicles run on BS6 fuel? BS4 compliant vehicles can run on BS6 fuel without any issues. Tackling BS6. While technology has been evolving to meet the regulatory requirements, BS6 will push the technology further by bringing more electronics and control systems. There will be changes in engine technologies and in exhaust aftertreatments in both gasoline and diesel vehicles. EAT technologies like diesel oxidation catalyst (DOC), selective catalytic reduction (SCR), lean NOx trap (LNT), and diesel particulate filter (DPF) will appear in diesel vehicles, whereas three-way catalytic converter will appear in gasoline vehicles.